Okay, 30 is another nested root problem, and as you know from the past problem we just did, number 29, that these are rather involved problems. What do you get over here? Plus, let's take a look at that. Here's the nested root for you, 5x minus 11. And they are carefully written though, I'll say that. What goes on the bottom? X minus 4. I can multiply the top and bottom by the top's conjugate, and that's going to be 13 plus the root of 5x minus 11 plus 4. Let's write that down. 13 plus 5x minus 11 plus 4. Let's write that down. You're going to get x minus 4. You're going to get 13 plus, and again, it's a nested root. Even kind of hard to write down, isn't it? That's one thing I like about typing things. It's easier for me to type things up than to print it out with my penmanship. But what do you get over here? It's not so bad. You get 13 plus 5x minus 11, the root of that, and then minus 16. And I'm going to work on that. And that's going to be the root of 5x minus 11. And that's going to be minus 3 now. All right? What do you get on bottom? X minus 4. And then you get this nested root. Well, I have not rationalized the numerator, so I got to keep going. So it's going to be root of 5x minus 11 plus 3, the root of 5x minus 11 plus 3. Let's do the multiplication, see what we come up with. As you probably expect, this is going to work out pretty nicely, by the way. You get 5x minus 11 minus 9. Let's go to the bottom. You get x minus 4. And then you get this nested root. Plus 4. And 5x minus 11 plus 3. All right, what do I see on top? I guess a lot of writing, isn't it? It's 5x minus 20. And I'm starting to realize that it's 5x minus 20, I could factor a 5 out. So it'll be x minus 4. What do you get on bottom? X minus 4. And you get this, again, this really nightmarish looking nested root. Oh, look at that. Something nice happens. Although conditional, it disappears. And I'll write this down now. So you get 5, and then you get that nested root. Just a word to the wise when you're doing an exam, you know, you can be somewhat sloppy in between, but at the end of it, please write your answer down so someone can read it. Again, I understand why black pen, red pen does not talk about conditions, but I do want to talk about conditions where this would be true. Before I do that, though, I want to make sure I got the simplification correct. Look at the K. I do see the 5. I do see this over here. Make sure I'm carefully looking at it, by the way. And I see this over here. But I want to talk about conditions, by the way. And I want to point out the original problem. This is the original problem. One of the conditions that need to be met is x can't be 4. The other condition that needs to be met is the 5x minus 11 has got to be greater than or equal to 0. So that means 5x is greater than or equal to 11. That means x is greater than or equal to 11 fifths. All right? So 11 fifths is, you know, 2 point something, so certainly the 4 is up there. So let's write this down. So the condition is x cannot be 4. And the other condition is x has to be greater than or equal to, I just forgot, 11 fifths. This all should be listed in your key, by the way, and I am seeing that in my K. Thank you.